Hello, and welcome to the virtual open house for information technology at LaSalle University. Our Bachelor of Science program in Information Technology takes a hands-on, practical approach to this broad field of computing. The focus of our program is on computer networking, cybersecurity, and database administration, including the integration of databases into a web environment. Advanced coursework in the major includes network administration, administrative scripting, information security, cloud computing, computer forensics, and a brand new course in penetration testing, among several other options. The first year of study in information technology has coursework that is shared with computer science. This gives students a chance to see which of the two programs is a better fit for them and for their abilities and their career goals. Students in information technology will occasionally pursue a minor or second major in computer science, as the Bachelor of Arts program in computer science synergizes well with the information technology program. Many of our information technology students will pursue a minor in the field of business. This minor helps students integrate their technical knowledge into a business environment after graduation. In a career, many of our information technology students will go on to purchase large orders of equipment or manage large teams, and the knowledge from these business courses can help to attain those goals. All of our information technology majors are required to do an internship. This usually happens just before or during their senior year. Internships can be completed on campus with the university's IT department or with one of our many external partners. These internships are part-time and are done alongside usual classwork in a fall or spring semester, or students do more extensive internships, often on a full-time basis, during the summer months. The internships provide students with experience in the field, and many of our students get their first full-time position directly as a result of their internship placement. These internships are usually paid positions, which is certainly an added benefit for students looking to earn additional income while still a student. Our information technology graduates typically have careers as network administrators, computer security specialists, hardware technicians, web developers, and database administrators. Information technology is a very broad field that services a lot of different career opportunities. These jobs are in high demand and do offer strong salary opportunities. Career exploration is aided by members of our Computer Science Advisory Board, which is made up of technology leaders from across the Philadelphia region in business and industry. These members devote their time to our students as mentors to help them with things such as career networking, interviewing skills, and resume writing. We also offer a one-credit course, often taken by students during their junior or senior year, in preparing for careers in technology, where many of these items are presented to our students formally. Co-curricular activities within the department include undergraduate research opportunities, often in the field of computer networking. Students who have done these research opportunities in the past have presented their findings at regional conferences as well as at LaSalle, and many of these students have gone on to co-author papers with members of our faculty. Other departmental opportunities include an active student organization in computing and membership in the National Computer Science Honor Society, UPE, which is open to information technology majors as well. If you're interested in discussing our programs or visiting the department to meet with faculty or students or to sit in on one of our classes, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or phone using the information on the screen. Thank you very much for your interest in our information technology program.